What if you could monitor your heart rate, sleep quality, stress levels, and even your HRV for an entire month without charging your fitness band? And the best part, no subscription fees. Today we're reviewing the brand new Pebble Qore View Wellness Band to find out whether it's worth your money. Welcome to Brand Tech Compare. Here we provide honest gadget reviews, comparisons, and buying guides to help you make smarter purchase decisions. If you're new here, subscribe and press the bell icon. The Pebble Qore View is a screen-light wellness band designed mainly for health monitoring instead of smartwatch features. It focuses on simplicity, long battery life, and essential wellness tracking. Inside the package, you receive the wellness band, magnetic charger, documentation, and warranty card. The nylon strap feels soft and breathable, making it comfortable for all-day and overnight wear. Since it's lightweight, you'll barely notice it while sleeping. This band covers nearly every essential health metric including continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep tracking, stress analysis, HRV, and daily activity tracking. All your health data syncs with the Pebble Hello app. It even generates an AI health score that summarizes your overall wellness in one place. And there's no subscription required. The Pebble Qore View supports more than 100 sports modes, making it suitable for beginners as well as fitness enthusiasts. One of the biggest highlights is its impressive battery life. Pebble claims up to 30 days of usage on a single charge, which means fewer charging interruptions. Quick View lets you glance at key wellness information instantly. The app also offers family activity leaderboards, making fitness tracking more engaging. The Pebble Qore View shines with its 30-day battery life, comfortable fabric strap, HRV tracking, AI health score, and subscription-free app. However, it isn't a complete smartwatch. It lacks GPS, Bluetooth calling, and has only 1 ATM water resistance. Overall, it's a great wellness band for users focused on health tracking rather than advanced smartwatch features. The Pebble Qore View is perfect for fitness beginners, walkers, students, parents, and anyone who values sleep tracking, HRV monitoring, and a 30-day battery life. But if you need built-in GPS, Bluetooth calling, or a premium AMOLED smartwatch experience, you should consider other options. It's an excellent wellness band focused on health rather than advanced smartwatch features. If your priority is health tracking, month-long battery life, and a subscription-free experience rather than smartwatch functions, the Pebble Qore View is a compelling option in its price range. Users wanting advanced smartwatch capabilities like GPS, calling, or a rich display may want to consider other devices. If this review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brand Tech Compare, and press the bell icon for more honest gadget reviews. The latest buying link is available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.